What's up, Real Life Crew? It's a special edition of Double What's in the Box. It's small soldiers' toys. We've got Archer, emissary of the Gorgonites, and we have Chip Hazard. Cool. Well, let's check these guys out. Let's set them up. These are the 12-inch action figures from the 1998 film Small Soldiers. And this is Archer, emissary of the Gorgonites. Voice played by Frank Langella, or Langella. Really cool. The good guys. He also did Skeletor in Masters of the Universe, the movie with Dolph Lundgren. And this is Major Chip Hazard reporting for duty, and voiced by Tommy Lee Jones. Their voice boxes are very, very low, but I'm hoping they'll still come out a little bit. They each have action buttons on the back, which also do sound effects when they punch. And the seller also threw in this pretty cool little Archer minifig. All right, that's going to do it for another episode of What's in the Box. This was a special double What's in the Box. If you want to see more of these double What's in the Boxes, just let me know. Put double in the comments if you want to see double What's in the Box like these for these kind of pair-up situations. Until then, we'll see you guys in Gorgon.